Before installing cabinet knobs, door handles, and drawer pulls, I highly recommend buying a template. This kit comes with drawer and door templates, as well as a drill bit. This installation will be on a bathroom vanity. This is the door template. This is used to mark and make a single hole for a knob or 2 holes for a handle. I will demonstrate this template by installing knobs. First, hold the knobs in the general position on the door. Measure the distance from the corner edge of the door to where you want the knobs mounted. Take the door template and fit it on the corner of the door. Hold the knob at that desired measurement and choose which hole on that line that you will use. Mark this hole by placing over it a piece of tape and then punching it out using a sharp object such as a pencil. Repeat this by marking the same hole on the other side of the template. Next, place the template back into position on the corner of the door. Using a sharp point, such as a scratch-awl or an ice pick, mark the cabinet through the desired hole. You could use a pencil instead to make a temporary mark in case you're not sure of the placement. Once the mark has been made, remove the template from the door. Next, flip the template over and repeat this process on the opposite door. With the template off, ream the marks deeper using the sharp point. This will keep the drill bit from wandering when you later drill the holes. It's a good idea to check knob placement one more time before drilling. The holes should be drilled using a 3/16 inch drill bit. Before drilling, check behind the door to make sure the path is clear of any objects. Carefully position the bit into the mark that was made in the wood. Secure the door well with one hand and drill a hole, making sure you do not plunge so deep that the chuck damages the wood. Knob screws come in various lengths. I will test this length with the thickness of the door. Once I'm satisfied that I have the proper length screws, I can now install them through the hole that I created through the back of the door. Using a screwdriver, hand tighten the knob into place. Do not over tighten because you can strip the threads easily. Repeat this process to the other door. To install drawer pulls, I will need to use the drawer template. Begin by measuring how far you want the handle from the top of the drawer. Locate the line of holes on the template at this measurement. Then find the template holes that match up with the hardware mounting holes. Mark these holes with a piece of tape and then punch it out using a sharp object such as a pencil. Now that I know the handle orientation to the drawer height, I now need to find the drawer center to its width. Start by measuring the width of the drawer. Note the general location of the center and apply a wide piece of painter's tape at this spot. Mark the center at the top and at the bottom. Connect the marks using a speed square, leaving a perfect vertical line in the center of the drawer. Now take the drawer template and hook it to the top of the drawer. Center the template to the drawer by lining up the center holes on the template to the line on the tape. Hold the template firm and mark through the taped holes. Double check that the pull matches the marks on the wood, and then, using a sharp object such as a scratch-awl, ream the marks a little deeper. The holes can now be drilled using a 3/16 inch bit. Next, open the drawer to access the holes on the inside. Using the proper length, send the drawer pull screws through the holes. With the use of a screwdriver, secure the screws to the drawer pulls. making sure you do not over-tighten and possibly damage the threads. And finally, finish up by testing each pole and each knob, making sure they are in working order.